Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Pixel 3 in 2022, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I purchased the Pixel 3 instead of the latest Pixel 7. And I've been using this particular device guys for about 2 months, and major reason why I got this particular phone from Amazon is because I wanted to install something called as Graphene OS on this, which is a privacy related operating system and which is a de-googled experience. So let us just check out what else we get in the box guys. We get the standard OTG cable, the converter and the cable, and over here we have the 18-watt power brick. And I'm going to answer whether it is worth buying the Pixel 3 in 2022, and this is almost a 4-year-old phone which was launched in 2018. And we have these Pixel Buds guys. By the way, these are awesome when it comes with a Type-C connector, because this is not having a 3.5 mm jack, and Google ditched it long back. And this is how it looks guys, and the mic on this have active noise cancellation I guess. And even the fit is great guys, and if you see this like this are having those ear tips, and this is one of the most compact phone which is available till date according to me. So if you are looking for a replacement for the iPhone 12 mini, so this is it. This is one of the phones which you can buy till today on Amazon, and you all can use this with one hand as you can see. And the design is brilliant guys, and I really like this particular two-tone texture. One is the glossy and the matte, and we have the Type-C cable over here, connector, and the SIM card tray. And the bottom placement is great, and fingerprint is fast. I'm going to talk about this a lot in this particular video. And we have tactile buttons, the volume up and down, and along with the power. I don't know why Google puts the volume power button right on top. And we have a front firing speaker. Let me just boot this and show you how it feels. And I just got this at the end of July guys, and today is somewhat October 8th I guess. And I really like the way this particular phone feels. So I've been using this for about 2 months with my Graphene OS, and I really like the de-googled experience with privacy features and all. And if you see, I've been running the stock Android initially, and it is very smooth, buttery smooth in my case. And it comes with Android 12 update. So 12 update will be the last guys. This won't be getting the 13. If you want the 13, you can flash the custom ROM and all. So let me know in the comments below if I should make more videos on custom ROM, and which are the ROMs by the way y'all are suggesting me to use on this. So Graphene OS has particular requirement that it requires a Pixel device. So this was the cheapest Pixel device for me to purchase on Amazon. So again, check out the link in the description if you want to buy. And I'll be doing a lot of videos on Graphene OS later this year, so make sure you all hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any video. And also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at @CreativeSoft, which would help my channel a lot to grow in the near future. And it is very compact guys, as you can see. So I've been looking for Android phones, a replacement for 12 mini. So most of you all must be knowing that I've been using 12 mini for about a year, and that was one of my favorite phones. And this got this squeeze feature and all. And the main highlight of this camera was in 2018. This was termed as one of the best camera phones of 2018 guys. So just imagine how good would be the camera. And as you see, it is very snappy, there is no lag etc till date after 4 years after having the Android 12 update. And this is how it looks guys. And let me just show you how the photos are. Let me just change some particular settings over here. And the photos from this particular unit is brilliant. And as you can see over here guys, let me check out how the photos are. Even in the dim light environment, it is clicking awesome. By the way, I don't have the night mode enabled, still it is clicking awesome photos, especially in indoors. So you are not going to have any issues, especially with this camera. Because if you see phones which are coming under 20,000 guys, especially from all those Chinese manufacturer, I don't go name them, they are not that great guys, and they come with a plastic build, and they don't even come with a glass back anymore. One of the features which I liked about the Pixel devices is the speech to text translation. So the as fast as you can speak over here. It will just translate over the air, and this one of the features which I really like. The speech recognition is brilliant, when with all the Google devices, I feel. And it is very compact, and you can hold it in one hand, and I like the design because I own the Pixel 2. Let me just show you this front facing camera, and they have a wide angle. I don't know why Google have put wide angle on the front rather than having it on the back, because I think that was the time most of the people in 2018 were clicking selfies. And Google thought, like, maybe they can just put a selfie camera on the front, so just to capture more people. Maybe this would work, guys, if you are having like 10 people, and this is zoomed in and this is zoomed out with the wide angle camera. And this is also brilliant, guys. If you can see over here, I'm getting a very wide range with this front facing camera, and it's very compact. So if you are thinking of buying a compact phone with a wireless charging, glass back, Google experience, this is it. This is the only one you can buy. And fingerprint scanner works brilliantly, like I said. And over here I really like the experience, but I'll be installing the Graphene OS anyways, because Graphene is a privacy related OS, and it is not even having any Google services, and no bloatware, nothing. And it is very fast, guys. So after installing this particular unit, I was having it for maybe around 15 days. And after 15 days I just installed Graphene OS on this, and the experience was quite good. I was almost getting 7 to 8 hours of screen on time for about like 2 days. And you can also log in into Google and all, but it is not possible with Graphene OS. So I'll be doing a dedicated video on Graphene OS anyways in the future, so make sure that you all are subscribed. So most of you all must be asking me, I have already the 14 Pro Max, why did I actually go with this? So I think Android, in Android ecosystem, they don't have a compact phone. This is one of this, and I just wanted to have the last times on my Android phone, which is having the most compact design. And as you can see, due to privacy, you can even block the camera and microphone access to all the apps in one click from the setting itself. I mean, quick toggle. And as you can see over here, this is running the Android 12 update, which I really like it. Let me just show you over here, somewhere in the about, and got developer mode, etc. And 12 will be the last update for this phone, and if definitely people who are enthusiasts will go ahead and install 13 anyways after using a custom ROM, which is a brilliant thing about this device. And if you squeeze this device, guys, you all can activate the Google Assistant, which according to me is a brilliant way of interacting with the phone. And if you all want, you all can change it to something like a torch and all. So I guess this you have to turn it to 12 o'clock, so then it shows, yeah, there it goes, this particular lovely animation. And which device do you all use? Are you all stuck with Android 11 or 10, or you all are using 12? So again, guys, Pixel is also available. The 7, it was launched maybe just couple of days back, and I wanted to get the cheapest Pixel device, so I got this. And and this is one of the most compact phone you all can get on Amazon. Check out the link in the description to get it. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out all these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below, are you all thinking of getting the Pixel 3 and you installing custom ROM? Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.